Hello everyone and welcome back. How is everyone doing today? Today we're going to be bringing you a home decor. So if this is a project that you think you may be interested in making, just continue to keep watching and let's get right into it.
Okay, today is just something simple, easy to put together, and something that really looks nice. I'm using the Beat It. This is like the Beat It Bling wrap that I chose for today. Something that's very simple though. It that will look really nice, and you can choose to use it any event, or you can just use it around your home. It will look nice in your bedroom, something maybe on your coffee table. You could use this for a centerpiece to put flowers in, or if not flowers, you can put also candles. Big round candle would be pretty in that. And so either way that you want to display it, with candles or flowers, is pretty.
Here is your candle holder. You can use it as a candle holder or an arrangement. Comment below and let me know what you would use this as.
So you can either put a pink candle, a wide pink candle, or you can put a white candle. Either way, it doesn't matter. Or if you wanted to put a silver candle, that's also pretty. And this could just be something simple in your bedroom or on your table. this would be really pretty. Or like I said, you can use it as a flower. For an example, if you just wanted to put your flowers in here. These are like peonies that would look really pretty in there. Yeah, so these are just more like the peonies, you know, that you can use in here. Original design or for the brooch.
So comment down below and let me know which napkin ring you would choose. And if you like this tutorial, please give us a thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed to our channel, please do so at this time so you can receive all notifications every time we upload a video. Until next time, may God bless you, and we will see you on our next video. Bye.